What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing something to my '07 Tundra with my Tune M1 camper on it. So this is strictly a camping rig. I'm not rock crawling or doing anything crazy with this truck, which is why I don't have any skids on it currently or rock sliders on it currently. But I do have a front rear bumper, and one of the things that I wanted to do to this was something to help my kids get into the truck so that way we can get in to the camper easier. Now this bumper that I have here, this is the DV8 rear bumper, and it does have this step on here, which is great for me. But as you can see here, I'm kind of at my max with how tall this truck is. So what I have over here is the Amp Research step. So this is the bed step here. So this will come down maybe another, I don't know, 6 to 10 inches from where the current step is right now. So that's what I'm going to do to help my kids get into here, and probably my wife is going to use it as well to get into here. Currently have a bunch of stuff from the last camping trip in here, so it's kind of a mess. But what we have here is the very easy instructions, super easy. There's only 9 steps on here, 3 main components, a little bag of hardware, which is really nice. I hate seeing like just hundreds of bolts and nuts, which make it just a little bit more intimidating to install. And then very basic tools, just a ratchet. We got a 19, a 17, and then a T25 torque spit and a torque wrench as well. This is going to allow us to install this very easily. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing we need to do, assemble this guy to the arm that pivots down. So what we're going to do here, we're going to set this like so. This goes on top like this, and then we're going to grab these 2 bolts here. We're going to put the washers on there, set it in there like so. Can't really mess this up because the picture instructions very easy to understand. So basically the pivot arm is going to be away. It'll swing this way, and then this will bolt to the frame of the vehicle. Once we have that started, I'm going to be using impact driver. I'm going to turn it all the way down so that way it doesn't break the bolt and I don't pass the torque spec that it calls for. Then we're going to grab our torque wrench. We're going to set it to 33 foot-pounds, and then using the 17 millimeter we had on the driver, we can then tighten it down. There we go. All right. So we are underneath the vehicle now. So this is the back bumper. That's the DV8 bumper. You can see the spare tire here, the leaf pack. So next to this brace hole here that goes all the way through the bumper, there's going to be these 2 lower 19 millimeter bolts that we're going to be taking out. We're going to take them out all the way. So on your vehicle, if you're doing this at home, chances are you won't have this exact same bumper. If you have the factory bumper on it, it won't have this step that's built into it. So the Amp Research step won't interfere with that. So we had to cut it and modify it so that way this bracket that swings will clear it. So we hacked it up a little bit to make that fit, and then we put some paint on there so that way it won't have any rust issues. If it does, at least it'll slow it down, and then I can always apply a little bit more on it. But now that I have that, we're gonna have these 2 holes here. We're gonna lift this guy up and then reinstall those 19 millimeter bolts right back to the frame. So right there are the 2 19 millimeter bolts that we put back in. Still currently loose, but we're gonna go ahead and tighten it and then torque it down to 90 foot-pounds. Now that we have this torque down to the frame. We're gonna grab the step. We're gonna match up these holes here with the 3 that are down here. Line that up, set it down. Grab the 3 screws that they provide. We're gonna install this. It's gonna be a T25 Torx bit, and then we're gonna torque it down to 6 foot-pounds. So we have it completely installed now, and I've actually used it already a couple times, and I let my daughters use it at home just to test it out. So when you wanna kick it down, you just push it down, it comes out and it swings towards you. So it's away from the bumper a little bit. So that way you can get up here and get to the top. Now, I mentioned that I got this mainly for my kids and my wife. So I put this handle right underneath my propane tank here, which will allow them to use it, because on this side, I don't have a handle like on the other side. This is the side that I've been using with the step that is in the bumper. So I grab this, swing up here, and I have my floor mat right here. So that way I can put my shoes here and kick off any dirt right here before I step into the camper. But this step is only offered for the driver's side, so that's where we had to install it. But essentially for my 5-year-old, she steps on here, grabs the handle, and is able to get up here. But for my 3-year-old, she grabs this string actually, grabs this, steps on this, and then gets into here, which is, you know, not ideal because she can't reach this just yet, but hopefully next year she'll be able to. But that's pretty much it. This is a super useful modification for anybody that is shorter or just wants to make it a little bit easier to get into their bed, especially if you have a camper, or just getting into the bed in general if you're doing a lot of things in and out of the bed. So the only downside is it does stick down about 3 inches or so. So if you are planning on rock crawling or doing anything that has larger boulders, this might get hung up on those trails. However, this truck is just my camping rig, so I don't plan on doing any rock crawling with that. So I don't anticipate ever ripping this thing off, but that would be the only downside. Besides that, it's amazing, it's helpful, but I'll have a link to this product down in the description if you guys want to check it out for your vehicle. They make it for pretty much every truck out there. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in another video.